Hi, today I'm making applesauce to then further make the cranberry bran muffins. I was shopping the other day and I was going to buy those small snack pack applesauces to have on hand, and they were like $1 a cup for something that was just, I couldn't do it. So I buy my apples sometimes when I'm going to use them for applesauce on the clearance aisle of the in the produce department. So it's like dirt cheap and it's very easy to whip up some applesauce. So here we go. There's a couple of ways to take the core out. This is an apple core, and I can just quickly go through the apples and get the core out, or I can do it with the knife and slice it in quarters. Get a paring knife and the core's out. So whichever works for you. Using the apple core to take out the core, I can stick my thumb in the apple and it makes for easy gripping to peel the apple. I'm going to use the Vidalia and make these into small bits, which will cook even faster. And do simmer. 3/4 of a cup of filtered water, 1/4 cup of sugar, and as usual for me, I sprinkle my cinnamon, probably more than the recipe calls for, which is 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then my apples take up virtually my Vidalia, so that was 4 apples. And then I'm just going to cook this till it goes into a applesauce. It's that simple. I'll be back and show you the outcome. Already smells good. So I'm going to just simmer this for about 20 minutes and let it just cook these apples. It's already looking awesome. I'm now going to let this cool. As my apples are cooling, I'm giving them a stir with the whisk, and it's breaking up the little bits. I'm not even going to have to use the immersion blender on my applesauce to get it to finish up. So, ta-da! Let's do a taste test. Perfect. While I was making this, I was cleaning my kitchen and straightening things up. So it's really easy to make. It's delicious. I used, as you know, from the green apples, the Granny Smith. I think I'm gonna have applesauce for breakfast and applesauce for my bran muffins, which there is a video already for the cranberry bran muffins. I'll put the link below. So if you have any questions, please leave the comments below. And I hope you have a great day. See you next time.